will explain how to edit data in Excel. Guys, we can edit data in Excel different ways. Now I will show you one by one. So the first way is directly select that particular editing cell, then enter data. Okay, once we are entered data, just hit enter button, then Excel accept that editing data. Okay, so this is one way to edit data in Excel. Another way is just double click on this. Excel allows to edit data, then we can edit data inside this cell. Just finally hit tab or enter button. Okay, this is another way. Third way is just press function F2 key, then Excel allows to change data in that particular cell. Okay, then we can change the data. Okay, this is third way. Fourth way is directly we can change in formula bar. Okay, just enter data in this formula bar, just hit enter button. Whatever data we are entered that formula bar, the data is updated in this particular selected cell. Okay, so like this we can edit data in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.